Hi YouTube, I'm Lance, this is Ultimate Postman, and today I have a little tutorial for you. It's about how to put widescreen videos onto your standards or full screen Instagram. Widescreen and full screen, what's the difference? Well, full screen only makes it your videos kind of a box, and widescreen gives you like the whole landscape of what your phone records. Now I see this happening time and time again with sports, with this, with that. You have this amazing video. The way that Instagram cuts the video takes some of the spectacle out of it. So today I'm going to show you that using a video from this past weekend that the AUDL, the American Ultimate Disc League, has posted. I've edited the video down on my system to give to the player because he really wants it. This is from the Los Angeles Aviators, my home team, the team that I work for, and let's just get to it. This past Saturday night against the San Diego Growlers, player number 99, Brandon Van Duzen, had this amazing layout, and we're trying to push this for Sports Center to pick up. He wants this video. Man, Brandon, you did an amazing job on this. I'm going to give him the video, and I'm going to show you how to upload it. And this is a little bit more personalized video than what they put onto Instagram. Thing you have to remember is video has to be under 1 minute for it to properly post onto Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is whatever video you have has to be in landscape mode, and you have to put it onto your phone. If you haven't got on your phone yet, you've edited it on your computer, move it to your phone somehow, or however you're uploading to Instagram. The second thing you're going to do is when you get ready to post the video on Instagram, don't just post it. You can't do it that way if you want widescreen. You're going to look on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen where the video is, and you're going to see this little circle with arrows going up and down. Click on that or tap that, and it's going to shift the video between being full screen and being widescreen. Now, your viewers can capture the whole video. They're going to see everything, and it's going to look great. You can also use this to make your photos widescreen as well, but it doesn't work on panoramic photos that you've taken using the little panoramic, capture slide. Anyways, Brandon, amazing catch, amazing layout. Come join us this Saturday night, August 21st at Los Angeles Southwest College, August 21st, 2021, in case you're watching this after that. Game's gonna be fun. They got this third quarter mini disc toss. First one in gets a prize. We're playing San Jose Spiders. This is both of our teams' last game of this year, of the season. Or if you're not in the Los Angeles area and you want to watch the game, go check out AUDL.tv for not just Los Angeles, but every game around the American Ultimate Disc League. Have a great night. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, and we will catch you later.